Hello, everyone. Welcome to Friday, last day of the week. Hell yeah. How's everyone doing? My name is Duzord. I do cool game dev stuff here on Twitch. And today we'll be working on Unreal Engine 5. We'll be working on our RTS game, which is a game that we've been developing with some friends for a little bit over 2 years. And that's the plan. That's the plan. Congratulations, Algaria, for being first. Here's your free confetti. Free confetti of the day. How are you doing? Are you feeling better? Gradually, yes. Good, good, good. So I have some good news and bad news related to the Unreal project. The good news is we still have work on it. GG. The bad news is everything we did on Wednesday, we need to scratch that. And you see, that's the reason why everything that I work on, I should ask first. And I tried to wing it, and I failed miserably. So we lost like 2 hours. GG. GG. Okay, I'm still trying to compile this. But essentially, well, yeah, it happened. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, poor Braga. Poor Braga. I mean, yeah, they got wrecked with the red card at the 6th minute. Not gonna lie. I mean, I understand the red card. I honestly do. I mean, you are playing a semi-final, and you don't want to get scored. Because if you feel like the other team is playing better than you will try to cut that ball no matter what. So, well, that implies emotional intelligence, and most people don't have it. Yeah, sucky. Okay, I'm just waiting for Unreal to open. If it was good though, it would be open already. Yeah. Yeah, I need to decide on the engine that I'm gonna work for my own game, apparently. Yeah, apparently I'm working on my own game. To replace the Game Boy project. Yeah. Build succeeded. Come on, little bro. Like, open quickly so I can change the scene. Okay. It's opening, it's opening. Go, 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 go. Okay, I'm gonna switch it now. Oh, there's me. Hello. Okay, it opened already? No, still opening. Okay, but essentially the thing that we worked on Wednesday was we implemented like the mouse loop around. So whenever you were moving the map and you cross the one of the side edges, the mouse like would reappear from the other side. And I thought this would fix whatever issue they were having, So if I do this, like the mouse reappears from the other side, which is kind of cool, Not sure if this is the best place to demo it, but mouse is now here, and if I go all the way to the left, mouse is now here, but like it moves properly, you know. But apparently this is not the issue. The issue, let me see if I can show you a video, because the person in question wasn't understanding what I was trying to say regarding the task. So then they recorded the video, and whatever the video shows is also not what they wrote for the task. So let me, how do I copy the media link here? Oh, is it really downloading this thing? Bro, open. Oh, I thought I could like see these. Yeah, okay. Then I need to download the I need to download the video because I'm not leaking my DMs with the guy. So we need to wait. "25 seconds left." Oh, I mean, I have a very old game which is one of my all-time favorites. If you want to remake it, no, I don't want to. I have my own ideas, thank you very much. But let me see what the game is about. Mech Commander. Sorry. Is it Mech Commander 1 or Mech Commander 2? 1. Okay, so this is essentially an RTS but with mech robots, I see. I mean, it does look cool. We don't build stuff. I mean, here you also don't, on this game that I'm making, you also don't build stuff, you just spawn new units. Or on this one you already like start with the set units and then you just start to conquer. It's like a, oh. Okay, this is more like an exploration kind of deal. Like Age of Empires. GG, it crashed. Damn, but these mech robots are like freaking giant. They are like larger than these cargo vehicles. Hello Simonot, good morning. Graphics from that era were so cool. Yeah. I truly believe like the best games were games from the 90s, you know. People had to do a ton with very few resources, which mean they legit had to put a ton of love and care and thought about everything they did. Because you had like hardware limitations, internet limitations, disk space limitations, CPU limitations. So everything you did needed to be like well done. Wow, look at this. This looks really cool. I mean, the game is cool. It does look very slow paced though. It does look very slow paced. Which nowadays the games needs to be more fast paced, you know, because people don't have time to like wait. You know? Good morning, Lit Geek. How you doing? It's Mech Commander that our friend Algardia challenged us to remake in Godot. It's essentially an RTS game, but you have like pre-built squads, and then you just control them individually. I mean, it's fun, although... Oh my god, I think I remember that game. TGIF? What the hell does that mean? TGIF. Thank god it's Friday. Yes. Friday is the best day, because it means that tomorrow I don't need to stream. So, as I was saying, you don't miss us. Nope. One week from a mega event as well. Yeah. Actually, I don't know what I'll do on next Friday. I don't know if I'll stream or not. It's Elgardia's bachelor's party. Yep. Little bro is getting married in 1 month from now. Yeah. It's gonna be massive. We have all the ladies hired, all the lady boys hired, all the boys hired. It's gonna be like epic. Epic. It's gonna be like Hangover Part 4, you know? Okay, so as I was saying, they complained about... Well, let me open the task. One stream for a month after that. Yeah. Got engaged last November, but we haven't set a date. Oh, congrats. Congrats. GG's. GG's. Yeah, if you need help organizing our bachelor's party, chat can do it. Okay, so we worked on this task, like the conflicting mouse movement stuff, where apparently when you are moving the map and the mouse crosses the edge, something weird happens. And I tried to figure out on myself what the issue might be, or might have been, and I failed miserably, and I still try to implement something, and I implement like this loop around for the mouse, you know, which is like pretty cool and stuff. But then I talked with the guy and I showed him that, and he was like, yeah, I didn't ask for that, so please revert. Also, whatever you did not fix my issue, so please fix. So he sent me a video. Oh, I don't have the... Just remember, I don't have the out of the video playing of the game. It's fine. But he sent me the video. So the mouse cursor is there. Okay, hold on. So the mouse cursor is here. Okay. And whenever he moves it to the north side, whenever he reaches the edge, like the map just shoots to the north somehow. Same thing if it does it on one of the random sides. I can't get this to happen. I don't know. I cannot replicate this normally. He did tell me that yeah, this happened to him on a published, on a packaged game, which is gonna be fun because I've never packaged this game before. So hopefully we'll be able to do it. It's only in the packaged game, it seems. Yes, okay. So how do I package this thing? I don't even remember. Help. Build. Tools. Okay, I need an adult. Elgardia, how do I package a game? Platforms. What? Platforms? Platforms. Windows package. This? I mean, I wonder if it only happens in the shipping, but whatever. Okay, package. Packages. Okay, it's going. Cool. Now we wait. And while we wait, I'm gonna put the video on. I don't think he would be packaging in shipping. No, they do package in shipping to measure like the actual like performance and stuff. Because we do run playtests and tournaments and stuff, so every once in a while I know they... Well, the packages on Steam, they're all shipped packages, I believe. These ones. Okay, it's building. Okay, so what do you guys want to talk about? Because now I have time. It's gonna take like 10 minutes. Cooking, yeah. Tomorrow I'm gonna go visit, not gonna go visit, I'm gonna go watch night butterflies in the middle of a random mountain, because why not? My wife, yesterday when she came home, she was like, oh, I found this cool stuff for us to do. It's Saturday at midnight. And I was like, okay. She was like, yeah, we're gonna go in the middle of a mountain and watch like butterflies or something. Giggity. Yeah. Then she says moth and they're like, what? Oh, yeah. Very sad. No, I mean, it's cool. I was like, huh? Oh, it even replies to me. Double the emojis. GG. Huh? Yeah. It's gonna be cool. Okay, it's compiling. We need to wait. While we wait, yesterday I finished the incremental game that's also a platformer. Yeah, it only took like another 15 minutes or so. I mean, I don't know if I like this game. It's weird. It's a weird game. But yeah, I was able to essentially finish the last level, and then I clicked the demo ended button, and then some cat pictures appeared saying, haha, I hope you enjoyed the game, and here's a picture of my cats. Thank you, Mr. Stream Elements. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if I liked that game. I cannot imagine how the game is going to progress in a way that it's like fun, you know, because there's only a number of gameplay mechanics that you can implement in like platformers. Either he's gonna change it like a ton and make you like rubbery so you can like bounce yourself on stuff, or I don't know, or you're gonna make yourself sticky. But if it's only based on platforms and jump pads and stuff, then it's just like trying to crank up the difficulty. Yeah, but even on the last level, like the type of upgrades that you needed to buy were like the same ones as all the levels before, so GG, a non-error. Oh. Something something super luminal. Okay. And now we Google. Like grown-ups. Okay, so I just need to copy from there. Oh, maybe I don't even have like these installed. I mean, does this even exist? I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I do have a superluminal lib x64. Oh, null. GG. Yeah, I don't have like the MD stuff. I Google like a grown-up. Yes. Fun quote. Okay, what do I do here? Why is it missing? I assume that's an AI DLSS? No. It's a debugger. AI this. Oh, yeah. The Googling thing. Yes. It's an AI this. I mean, what can I do now? Do I have like some weird superluminal stuff here? Apparently not. I mean, that's not even a plugin. UAT. Link fatal error, cannot open input file. Superluminal. Well, is there something here that literally mentions superluminal.lib? Like, please. No. Okay, do I need to install something from the marketplace? But I mean, if I install from the marketplace, it's not gonna go on the third-party folder, which is the part that I'm not like really understanding. Or can I somehow disable this third-party nonsense? Packaging settings. Hello? Okay, thank you. Um, I don't know what's going on. Are you guys using custom Unreal or vanilla? And it's vanilla. It's vanilla. But yeah, I don't know why. First, it would try to get that thing, and second, why would it try to use it either even? I mean, I have everything I need. RTS map editor. I mean, well, that's a cool icon. Okay, I don't know. Let me ask the guy. Okay, I messaged him. Hopefully, he lives in Germany, so hopefully he will reply. Now. Clean up binaries, clean up redirects. Then he's having lunch now. Maybe. GG, he replied. No, you can usually just package. Bro, nah. I don't know what superluminal.lib is. To be honest, it's nothing I had to download. Okay, so he did reply, but he's saying that he never had to download superluminal. But I do have superluminal downloaded. So my question is, how can I get rid of superluminal on this build? Unreal Engine. Because, I mean, it's not even a plugin, you know? But maybe it's like this software or something. It's like creating your trial. Bro, okay. What if I uninstall superluminal? I don't remember what I used it for. I know it's some sort of like profiling tool, but I don't know. Just gonna get rid of it. I mean, it's a profiler that I used with, or I tried to use with Rust, because Rust like kinda sucks in terms of profiling. Kojima. Embark. So like tons of game studios actually use this. But Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's try again. But maybe there's like some place in Unreal Code where they see, oh, you have Superluminal installed. Let me try to use whatever this is. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me if they have like Superluminal, a Superluminal like check hard coded deep in their code base, you know. Okay, let's try again. Platforms, Windows, package. Go. Oh, this needs to build every time from scratch, doesn't it? Oh, build successful. GG. Okay, so whatever we did, it fixed itself. Okay, now it's cooking. It is cooking. Damn, my PC's sounds like it's about to fly away. Surely this isn't gonna go and kill the stream's performance. I mean, the Explorer is unusable. Task manager not responding. Oh, GG. Okay. There he goes. Fly, little PC, fly. 5.2 gigahertz. Go, go, go. I don't know what the fuck this uptime here is. Like, this doesn't make any sense. Like, I shut down my computer every single day. Every single day. This is a lie. Need more RAM, yeah. Actually, I need 50 bucks from Twitch. And I need $3. So, if you guys could give, like, 2 subs... so I can get my money back, I would very much appreciate it. We are at like 48 bucks. Almost there. Okay, we'll keep an eye on that. Let's see, let's see. I know that Twitch doesn't like allow people to show this. I really don't care. Where is it? Revenue. No, hold on. Where is the total payouts? It's here. I'm at $45. Yeah, $45. So yeah, I need $5. I need two subs banned before first payment. I mean, what happens, happens. It's fine. It's fine. I mean, I'm just doing this because I know I don't have like weird people watching, so. It's only us folks here. I mean, we wait. Okay. What's happening? Is it compiling? Yes, it's compiling shaders, it's compressing textures, it's generating LODs for models, it's doing all of that shit. It's what Unreal calls cooking. It's cooking the assets, like creating optimized versions for every single one of them. Let it cook. Yeah, and it's making like the energy bill go up. Unreal is literally cooked. Yeah. Okay, so what do you guys want to talk about? I don't know how long this is gonna take. I literally do not know. It only cooked 1/3 of it, so you maxing your RAM won't help time-wise, no. But it's gonna make me rich because people with RAM are hella rich nowadays. Yeah, poor RAM. Yeah. Do I even have like CPU Z? Okay. Let's see. How much would cost like an exact 32 gigabyte stick or two 16s? Because I have two sticks, so. Memory. Oh. This doesn't tell me which memory I have. How do I know like the brand and stuff? I mean, I can just go and check the random file. Hold on. This. And then I have, I think it's called new PC or something. No, fuck, okay. Be right back, changing scene. I know it's on Google Drive. New PC, yes, that's the file. Okay, we are back. So the RAM that I have is this Corsair Vengeance blah 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 blah, which cost me 113 back in the day. Oh. Nope. Nope. Nah, bro. Nah. I don't need RAM. I don't need RAM. 420. Isn't it this? 32. 6,000 megahertz, what the hell? Oh, mine is 64. I see. Can I? It's this, no. 6,000, hold on. Oh, they don't even have like a thing here. Okay, can I do this? It's this. 507. Free shipping, GG. No, it's okay, hold on. So it's not even the same link. What the hell? I mean, okay, this is this is the cheapest. 6,400, I see. But it is the same one. Yeah, bro, nah. Can get SODIMM to normal adapters, so people using those. Isn't SODIMM like the ones on the laptops? Yeah. So people using those, I mean, is that a good plan? I don't think that's a good plan. I don't know why. Kind of feel like dodgy. Okay, everyone, we need to come up with 500 bucks. I don't need the RAM, honestly. Yeah. Yeah, I actually wonder how much would like my PC cost like now. Okay, well, while we wait, because this is still going. While this is going, is it even the same thing? Gold 8050 MSI mag. Okay, it's this. So this still costs the same. No, it's more expensive. It's 110. Okay, hold on. Let's do this. So this would cost us 110. And then I got this motherboard, which would cost us 289. Oh, it's even cheaper now. Damn. Okay, then we got the cooler. Stonks. Okay, there's no more cooler. F. And then the CPU. The hell, bro? Oh, CPU is cheaper now. Damn, okay. So it would be cheaper to actually buy this stuff now. The box costs the same. And the SSD. Oh, the SSD is also like 3 times the cost. Yeah, never mind. So between RAM and the SSD, it would be plus 600 euros. And then everything else decreased like 50 bucks or something. So yeah, it would be way more expensive. So it will be almost 2000. This discarding like the GPU, because I don't even have the GPU here. 910.40. GG's. Oh, wrong. How do I make this? Okay, how much would this CPU cost now? GPU, sorry. Kind of the same. No, it's a little bit more expensive. Okay, what about on PC Diga? Yeah, more expensive. Yeah, never mind. We did well. We did well by purchasing these 1 year ago. Bought at peak. Stop licking my address, dude. Oh, it's even your address, yeah. Right, you went there and picked it up. GG. Well, at least it's not mine. It's fine, it's fine. Yeah, it was very difficult to grab the GPU. Like everyone was rushing to buy this freaking thing. I'm very glad we got it though. It's a good GPU. I don't think I've ever pushed it like to the max, like ever, but it's a good GPU. I mean, this is still going. Oh, no, yeah, it's still going. Although when you read this, it says like, oh, completed, no change. And you are like, yeah, GG, it's done. No, it's not done. It's doing random stuff. 4K max settings it. Well, that's what I do with Red Dead Redemption. That's what I did with Arc Raiders. iRacing will push it. I mean, I'm not playing iRacing here, so it doesn't really matter. But iRacing plays its max settings on the triple monitors, although they are only 1080. Yeah. I switch between where's this? I have this software here where I change between the desk monitor or the triples monitor, and it automatically shuts the monitors off and like switches stuff around. So yeah, when I want to go to the triple setting, the triple sim thing, I go triples, apply profile. This monitor shuts down, those one turns on, and with that the keyboard and the mouse there. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty sweet, not gonna lie, it's pretty sweet. Then whenever I'm done, I just need to go there and click desk, and then this one activates and those three shut down. Instead of, you know, instead of going manually to a... No, it's not this. It's display settings. Instead of going manually to each one of them and then disconnect this display, disconnect this display, disconnect this display, you know. And then if I want to activate those, I need to extend, 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 and then click on the fourth one and go disable. It's weird, yeah. And here with one click, does it all. It does it all. But yeah, I mean, I have race labs, trading paint, crowd chief, crew chief. I have everything here because it's the same PC. Triples were annoying to set up initially. I don't know. DisplayPort issues. Oh yeah, I didn't have. Well, I used to have DisplayPort issues, and then they stopped happening again. But like one of the monitors would start like showing artifacts and stuff. 49, it can do 3DP screens at once with display stream compression on. I don't know what display stream compression is. Display stream compression. VESA video compression algorithm. Increase display resolution at frame rates over existing physical interfaces. Yeah. I didn't even know this was a thing. Yeah, bro. You need to get a better GPU, like a 4090 sucks. Hello. Wrong window. I keep like opening the wrong windows every time. Guy, we need to wait. There's nothing here we can do. There's nothing here we can do. Okay, we need to wait. I don't know how long this is gonna take, by the way. Like, I have no idea. But it's giving me an update every 5 minutes for some reason. but it's saying completed, no change, completed, no change. So I don't really know what it is trying to do. Like I don't get any visibility into that. But I mean, it's doing something, you know? Like the GPU, it's doing its thing. CPU is doing its thing. In terms of processes, like Unreal Editor, it's like compiling a bunch of shaders at once. So it's doing stuff. Although we don't have any visibility into it, it's doing stuff. Cooking stuff, yes. Hello, Insane Dogo. How's it going? Yeah, we need to wait. I need to... There's a bug that apparently only happens in the package build of our game. So I need to package it, but it always takes a long time. Thing is, there's not like much else that we can do because CPU is already at maximum capacity, so it's not like I can play a game now. I mean, I could probably do the what's it called, Wordle stuff, just to pass some time. Okay, you are hereby forbidden to tell me answers. Okay, this is my typical word choice. Damn GG. No, it can't be brawl. I can be at the first letter. What's the rules of Wordle? You write 5 letters, and if they are all gray, then it means that these letters do not exist in the actual solution word. So then you need to write a new set of letters that are not these to try to figure out which letters are part of the actual word. In this case, R and A are part of the final word, but they are on the wrong position because they appear as yellow. If they were to appear as green, then they mean it's the correct letter in the correct position. You know? But if you read the bottom keyboard, hey, penis, yeah, it's always my first word every single time. It's not the best word, but it's short and sweet. Yeah, but if you look at the bottom keyboard, it's easier to know which letters have been used and which letters you have remaining. So dark gray ones are unusable. You don't need to test them because you already tested them and failed. Green ones are correct letters on the wrong position, and light gray are unused stuff. So I'm gonna need more vowels in here. Not vowels, but I'm gonna need more vowel sounds here. So it's either gonna contain a W or a Y with an A. Okay, cannot be a C. I've got the word GG. Don't tell me. I'm not reading. Stop. Stop typing. It can also have a U. Could be no. I don't know. Okay, we already know that R can either be here, here, or here. Well, they can also have like the same letter doubled, you know. No, this is not Abraham. Ay, ay, ay. Abram. Oh, it kind of exists. Oh! GG. Well, I got all of them on the wrong position. For fuck's sake. Marvel. No. Mabel? No, it cannot be that. Hold on. The fuck? Okay, so it has an M, a B, a R, and an A. Although it either starts with an M, and then I don't know what to put here, because they cannot be either an A or an R. No. No. The hell? I mean, I don't recall like any letter, any word that would match this. If you know, you know. I'm not reading chat because I'm afraid you're gonna spoil it. And if you spoiled it, I'm gonna ban you. So A, B, R, M. A can only be on like the last two positions. Actually, I wonder in this specific situation if this was the correct one, the correct A position. Would it tell me that this is in the correct position and then this wouldn't show? Does it like prefer left to right? Because if not, then A needs to be at the end. So if it's an A at the end, then here needs to be an R. So it's MB something array. Bruma. No, it can't be Bruma. But it's something array. It's either going to be RA or AR. But I don't know about this. I don't know if this was like on the correct position, if this would have show us green instead of yellow there. So I'm gonna assume it's RA. Then I have an M and a B. Umbra. Yeah. Umbra. From Penumbra. GG. GG. Okay, I didn't look at chat. Now, do you even know what Umbra is without going into a dictionary? Maybe you don't know. Maybe you know the word but don't know the meaning. You know, because you are like dumb and stuff. I got the word, but then was it on the last try? See? I got it on the 5th try. Can we guess? Let's see if he looks at chat. Hey, answer. Hey, look. Umbra in it. Why? Rip. Rigid, it's his fault for spawning it for himself. Well, that's how you get banned. Soft shadowing edge. Yes. And you have Umbra and Penumbra. And one is the soft edge into the shadow, and the other one is the soft edge outside of the shadow. Very smart. You are very smart indeed. Congratulations. Oh, Umbra is like the dark spot. I see. Oh, so we got it wrong. So Penumbra is the soft shadowing edge, and Umbra is like the dark spot. And Tumbra. Okay, GG. Let's play game medal. I'm terrible at this game. But Weekly now has 2 ways to play, bro. I just want to play the freaking game. Week of video games involving Hideo Kojima. This looks like some Metal Gear Solid stuff. Video games involving Hideo Kojima in any capacity, including director, writer, producer, designer, voice actor, or cameo appearance. These games often reflect his influence on cinematic storytelling, stealth mechanics, fourth wall breaks, and experimental design ranging from major creative leadership roles to small references or hidden appearances across different franchises and studios. I mean, I don't know, but this being in the middle of the woods, outside is like some Metal Gear shenanigans. I looked at chat. Metal Gear, like one of the last ones. I mean, it cannot be one of the last ones because it's not part of Konami anymore. And I'm gonna do Metal Gear: The Phantom Pain. GG, we got it wrong. PT, not at all. Nah. But yeah, it could also be like a Resident Evil type of nonsense. Nah, Silent Hill. I'm not sure if I've ever seen green in a Metal Gear game. I mean, I don't know all of the games where he did all of these by heart, you know, so I don't know. But I mean, this does appear to be very photo-realistic, so it needs to be one of the latest games. I mean, it can even be the... what's the new one where he carries like a bunch of stuff throughout the world? Like he carries a baby in a box. It can be that one. Walking simulator, yeah. What's it called? Elgardia with the also no. Yeah, he already knows the answer. Well, I'm gonna write it still. I already told you the game. You don't... PT. But isn't PT like that scary demo? Like this stuff. Oh, literally is PT. Lmao. Lmao. There's a picture. I mean, in reality, this is not a video game. This is like a weird demo that was released. Yeah, if you go like on eBay and stuff, there are people selling PS4. I mean, I don't want you to spoil me the answer. But there are people with a PlayStation 4 with like the PT demo installed, like selling for like a shit ton of money because people believe that for some reason this Silent Hill demo is like worthy the $700. What the fuck is this? Like, I'm terrible at this stuff, by the way. This is very old. I don't know. I don't want to play this anymore. Whenever I play this, I look so dumb, you know? I have no idea what this is. Okay, never mind. I don't like this. But I think someone remade this PT demo in Unity. And from what I understand, I think it's actually like very, very legit. Or Unreal or something. Was it Unreal? Remake. No, I'm pretty sure I played the Unreal one. The Unity one. Yeah, recreate PT all the way. Oh, this is only the all the way. I played the Unity one. Well, I didn't finish it because then it gets weird and and I stop. I get scared easily. Yeah, I think I played this one. I mean, they tried to aim for the exact same look and feel, but I'm pretty sure I played this one. PT demo Unreal. The best demo ever. This is very recent. Someone has been working on an almost one-to-one recreation of PT inside Unreal Engine 5. I mean, this is freaky. I don't know. I get scared easily. Pirate Software's life is falling apart. Well, rip Bozo. Yeah. I played the Unity one. This is too scary for me. This is too scary for me. Okay, is this shit still compiling? I feel like this is stuck doing some random stuff. Oh, there's still 318 to go. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. I don't care. I do not care. Okay, I need to wait. This is not this is taking way too long. Hopefully it's only gonna be the first time, surely. First time only, and then it's gonna be fast. Okay, what more can we do while we wait? I can check Hacker News. I posted here on the Planar Godot game. Well, I can download Godot then, yeah. Godot. Download latest. Hold on. What is the difference between Godot and Godot.net? The hell? C# support. Why can't I use C# on this one? Why do I have to have like different versions? Needs runtime. I understand. Why don't they make it like a per project flag? And they support both on the same installer. I mean, this is 76 megabytes. This is 105. Okay, so it's like 30 megabytes or stuff. I mean, I'm not nitpicking. I'm just saying that this is supposed to aim to like newcomers. This is supposed to be an engine for newcomers, and whenever they click here and then they'll download, first thing they see, oh shit, I have two buttons to click. Which one do I click now? You know? And shouldn't really be like this. I mean, it's not a difference of 30 megabytes that's gonna make any difference whatsoever. So might as well package both runtimes into the same thing. And then you have like a flag depending on a project. People want C# would know to go for .NET. Well, I don't know which one I want to go for. You know? I know how to write C#, kinda. Now scroll erratically. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't like this. Godot is self-contained. Yeah, but there are two containers, ain't it? I mean, this doesn't tell me anything. Digital source versions do not include this. Yeah, I don't care for any of that. I mean, if anything, I wanted to know like what would be the difference between the two ones. Because I mean, they do have support for other languages. You can literally like use Rust and C and C++ with Godot using like the original one. So why would you package a different one? I don't know. It's weird. Leverage your C# experience to feel right at home. Godot offers you first-class support for the .NET platform, power your games with familiar libraries, and give them a performance boost, while still benefiting from close engine integration. I mean, I don't plan on using familiar libraries, because I don't know any on C#. Desktop and mobile platforms. I don't know. I think I'm going with a regular GDScript one. Yeah. The high-level programming language. Yes. Okay, is this still going? It's still going. Bro, show me code. Like, see, like this is fucking useless. Because now when you download the C# one, it still allows you to work on GDScript only. Yeah? So, what's the point? Just serve the freaking C# one. So you can use other libraries already in GDScript. I mean, but one if is GDScript only, and the other one is GDScript with C#. Might as well just serve the C# package build, you know? Like, what's the point? Even more if the things are interchangeably, like if you can like switch from one to the other easily, apparently, and they like integrate. So you can have some scripts in C#, some scripts in GDScript. Just serve like one package installer. Well, it's not an installer, one package executable. I mean, that's what I would do. But I want to believe they tried it before and asked the community what they thought. But I'm very practical, like just simplify the goddamn thing. Why are you making it harder on yourselves? The C# API uses Pascal case instead of snake case in GDScript C++. What the fuck is C++ doing in here? I'm on the C# page, you know? So we already know it supports GDScript, C++, and C#. Why don't you serve a single installer, bro? A single executable. Because then you have... If you have a GDScript only game, you need to have a GDScript only executable, you know? And if you have a C# only game, you need to... Yep. And if you need to have a C# only game, then you need to have the C# executable. So now you have two executables while you could only have one. I mean, this is whatever. And before it's gonna be Rust. Okay, what language is the fastest? C++ is faster than both. Okay, can I write in Rust? C++ using... I think they are over complicating it. Oh well. We go for the regular one. We go for the regular one. I mean, this is still going. How many shaders do we have to compile, bro? Non-stop shader compiler worker. He decided. I mean, I had already decided, but I would be willing to test the .NET version if I knew this would play Godot engine GDScript only games, you know? I mean, I could give it a try, but now I don't know if I can give it a try because they don't make the decision easy for me. Can we get a stop complaining error? Yeah, it costs 2 subs. You pay me 2 subs and I shut up. And then I can get my $50 from Twitch. Yes, please, done. Nintendo announces price increases for Nintendo Switch 2. GG. Cloudflare to cut about 20% workforce. Ay, ay, ay. I'm screwed, ain't I? I'm never gonna be able to find a job again. Holy. Hooray! Free money. Free money. Thank you, Algardia. I love you. Thank you, thank you. Now get me the air horn. No, you get me the air horn and I'll plug it in. Go to one of those sound bank buttons thing like this. Nah.
6, 7.
Yeah, get me an audio and I'll put it in. I got the sub, Simon, I'll get the air horn. Yeah. Guys, I love Godot. Godot, lovely. C# in Godot, best thing that ever existed. Ay, ay, ay. GPT 5.5 price increase. I mean, at least today, half of the front page of this is not AI shenanigans. Okay, I got a Discord ping. Mod chat. Holy. Okay. Ba, ba, ba. Oh boy. Okay. Let's do this. Downloads, copy, desktop, OBS, sound effects, gunshot, air horn. See, I have everything very like organized, you see? Pretty cool. Okay. How do you want to trigger the air horn? Do you want it to be like a mod only command? Do you want it to be like a redeemable? You both need to agree on it, so I'll wait for Algardia. Yeah, see, you don't agree. Okay, you battle it out. You decide. Whenever you have a decision, let me know. Until then, we'll just look at this. Okay, shut the fuck up is fine. Okay, commands. We need to add a new command. It's gonna be called shut the fuck up. This is the command. The people that can only do this are only moderators. Actions. The bot commands. Shut the fuck up. Group. Bot commands. This trigger. Add core command. Command triggered. Shut the fuck up. Yes. Now this is gonna be core sounds. Play sound. Sound file to play. Air horn. Okay. Test it. Yeah. Oh boy. Okay. I'll need to make sure you cannot like spam this. Okay, so it's a user cooldown is 60 seconds. So you cannot like spam a ton of them. No. No, I'll leave it at your discretion. Just don't push it. You can technically spam as much as you can. Click up and enter on the thing and just go for it. Or let's see how. Yeah, because you gifted some subs. Okay, let's see if I now get the. If I can get that money. If I can get that money. Analytics, payouts. Oh, it's maybe it only updates at the end of the stream or something. Maybe only at the end of the stream. Yeah, it's not even showing data for the today yet. Damn, I've been making like a measly 10 cents a day. Ugh, 1 cent on Sunday from ads. The hell? On Sunday? Weird. I'm alarmed by how I just open random pages on stream. I have a kind of an idea of as long as I don't leak my own data, it's fine. If I leak someone else's address, that's on them. JK, joking. Damn, but this day we made almost $8. It was glorious. This has been my favorite day so far. Oh boy. Yeah, the shut the fuck up sound is funny. Okay. How's this going, bro? This is still... Why is this taking so long, you know? Why? You were saying swap speed, but I have tons of RAM available. So I don't think it's using swap. No, because... I don't know. Well, it's probably like still rendering the game here, you know? Because it's still rendering this. So if I look at the sky or below the map, it should help. GG. Yeah. I mean, there's not really much I can do. Like, the PC is almost maxed up, so... I mean, this is being a boring stream, isn't it? I really hope these would go faster. Doesn't the shader compilation happen on GPU? To some extent. I don't know. I don't think the GPU has like the ability to like compile anything. But if anything, they are like, I don't know exactly what they are doing, but if anything, they are generating like a bunch of different shaders versions and like throwing it at the GPU to try to see what is the most optimized one. Hello, Majek. Good morning. Majek is one of the other developers on the game. And he's the one complaining about the, the mouse movement stuff. Packaging always takes an eternity first time. Yeah. If I knew, I would have done this like yesterday. But I mean, we've been here for almost 1 hour, I guess. Or a little bit more than 1 hour. Damn, should have gifted Majek the sub then. You still can. You still can. But yeah, me personally, don't push it. I know, I'm just kidding. But me personally, I would rather prefer if you were to gift subs, to like gift it to someone on the community than like random people, because Twitch just gives it like randomly. Sometimes to people that haven't ever like talked in the stream, you know. Although Adukanan is cool. Adukanan comes from a Teams stream. And Scott B, I don't know who Scott B is. I don't remember him. No. You need to, whenever that's the case, you need to like give them one by one to the specific person. You cannot give them like multiple of them. Okay, so what can I do? I mean, what can I do? I'll probably put Godot in here or something. What's the difference? The hell? Godot. So this opens it with the console. Which is this. Okay. And this one doesn't open it with a console for some reason. But I would say the console is useful because whenever you log stuff, it's gonna appear here, you know? Okay, question is, if I close the console, does it close that? No. It does. Oh, that's scary. You have an internal log window as well. You don't need the console. I remember when Godot used to be 35 megabytes. Okay, I mean, I'm gonna need to create a project. So might as well start doing something. GG, it's called Pinball. GB. Ah, 5 gigabytes, yeah. Like, they surely don't make it easy on new people. No, bro. It's pinball. Literally pinball. Yes. Pinball. Get it now. Just read. I mean, if you were to use like Unreal, Unreal just throws the default stuff at you, and then you need to decide on it. I mean, I can still change it here easily, but I don't know. Okay, cool. Welcome to Godot. GG. GG. Where is the music, bro? Hello? Yeah, I want to open like a offline mode. Offline mode? What the hell? No, but I actually wanted to see if there was like, oh, it's here, the assets library. Go online. Bro, I'm online. What do you mean? Recently. They could have like most used or something. How many pages is this? 11 pages. Demos. Okay. Let's play with demos. Okay, I don't want XR stuff. Procedural forest. Platformer, car demo. Spatial audio. I feel like these are random ass demos from random ass people that don't know what they're doing. You know. Yeah. Projects. What's the difference between a demo and a project? I mean, not gonna lie, these asset libraries stuff is pretty much very useless. Godot Rust. Oh shit, we can write Rust inside Godot. Yeah, this is very useless. I don't know what's a template, I don't know what's a project, I don't know what's a demo. I assume all of them will give me source code for the wherever project it's on. Godot Rust. Yeah. It even has a video. What the hell? Who are you, little bro? No. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's a template. I don't know what's a project. I don't know what's a demo. Okay, we'll wing it. We will wing it. Okay, welcome. Welcome to Godot. Feels very smooth though. Which is pretty nice. Pretty nice. I mean, this is still going, bro.
That was good. Can you please take a picture? Sure.
I legit thought I would be able to do like something useful today. I don't believe that anymore. This is taking way longer. Elgardia, did I tell you about my game idea? Or not really? That's weird. What's weird? What is weird, sir? No, I have not. The time it's taking for you to package. Yeah, I mean, the weird part is this. I get an update every 5 minutes, so it's been over an hour so far. And I get an update every 5 minutes, and every 5 minutes I get a no change, no change, no change, no change. But I mean, this shit is going. No, it's not compiling anything. Oh, it's still compiling like a bunch of shaders. I don't know. Well, so maybe I need more RAM. Maybe that's the solution. But I mean, this is not even writing to disk or anything. I don't know. We'll need to wait it out, I guess. It's obviously doing something. They just don't tell us what. Be right back. Alright. Can I stop this packaging and like try again? Like, I legit don't know if this is doing something. Like, it tells me it is. Okay, like it tells me it is doing something. And it's obviously like compiling stuff with different settings and all, but more than 1 hour. It's weird. It's really, really weird. Okay, I think I'm gonna cancel it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cancel it. I don't trust this. Okay, let's go again. Quick launch. No, bro. Windows. Package. Okay, build successful. Cook command started. I mean, I want to believe that it's not gonna compile every shader again. Okay, it's using 13 local workers for shaders. Okay, bro. Cooked 104, remaining 1910. So it didn't even like cook anything. What the hell? Missing cached shader map for landscape material instance constant. What the hell is this? Cook settings. Available virtual memory is less than 2 gigabytes. What do you mean? At least now it's somewhat going faster. Okay, so only 1017 remaining. Although I don't know what this missing cached shader map for landscape material instance blah 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 is. But it's scary. Whatever this is, it's scary. Maybe I need to increase like the virtual memory or something here. Because it's saying that I have less than 2 gigabytes of RAM available. Which, well, now it is. But I mean, Unreal is using pretty much all of them. It's using like 11 gigabytes. Well, I can close JetBrains. Well, I cannot close JetBrains because Unreal is open. Fuck. Yeah, then we need to wait. 1017, 1017. Asset compiled memory estimate is greater than available. What do you mean, bro? So it's legit complaining that I don't have like enough RAM. Okay, remaining 355. Okay, we are approaching something. Okay. Still 355. This is being not a fun stream, people. Need a better PC. Well, apparently I need more RAM. Like I'm having like out of memory condition has been detected. For some odd reason. Although I have like almost 3 gigabytes free. It still tells me no, that I only have 1 gigabyte and a half. I don't know. Better PC, let's buy one, yeah. Guys, 10 subs and I buy a new PC. That's how the pro streamers do it, right? Like they beg for subs. Careful now. 332. Okay, I legit wonder if I close JetBrains Rider, if this is gonna speed up it a little bit or not. LLM. The fuck? LLM tags. Okay, while we wait. It will kill UE probably. No, it will, it will. I know it will because I tried to close it and it was like, oh no, but RTS game is running. I mean, if I could like detach from it without killing it, maybe, but seems like I cannot. So, let's talk about my game. My future game, I guess. Since we don't have like anything better to do. So my plan is making an incremental game. You know, one of those games where you need to play a ton to upgrade something and then you need to play even more. Brown skybox, yes. So inspiring. You can change it, I guess, somewhere. Or you can disable it. Better now? No, but you can change the ground. Okay, now it's grassy. Oh, beautiful. Now it's grass. So, my plan is to make an incremental game. The plan is one of those games where you play for a ton of time until you get like enough points or currency or something, and then you buy an upgrade and then you restart playing, and hopefully the new iteration of playing will give you a little bit more money or a little bit more currency. So the idea is essentially you buy upgrades, you earn money faster, which will allow you to buy more expensive upgrades, which will allow you to earn money even faster, and that's the loop. Now, what type of incremental game I want to build? I mean, I kind of already spoiled it with the project name, but I want to make a pinball game. I have no idea how. I have no idea how. I have no idea on what kind of features that game could have to make it fun and worthy. But I mean, if I'm going with this, I might as well try to make like a legit game that I can sell on Steam, you know? Sparkling things, yeah, but those are visual stuff. Those won't help you earn more points, you know? I think. Why is the music not playing? So yeah, I don't know. I don't know. But that's the idea. The idea is to play pinball. And I don't know if we'll have only a single table or if we're gonna have multiple tables and then you buy like additional tables as you go. You know? Stuff like that. I don't know if I want to do it 2D. I don't know if I want to do it 3D. I do nothing. Except this very, very basic idea of pinball but incremental. Do you actually, just with a incremental pinball, do you actually think it might be fun to play? I mean, playing pinball is very fun, you know? It's one of those games where people can literally like be there for hours, like just clicking the left and right paddles. But do you believe it's gonna be fun? Or can you even imagine what type of incremental game, but pinball or flippers like, would be fun? Let me know. Hard to imagine. I mean, the incremental part essentially is just to force you to play more, you know? And the thing with pinball is that pinball is already fun to play, you know? As long as like the physics and stuff is like... Need the prototype dock design game, bro. I'm not gonna spend 2 days a week talking philosophical questions. I'd rather put my hands dirty, you know, immediately. But I mean, yeah, pinball is pretty fun by default. So I would say that as long as the physics feel nice, people will have like the incentive to play, which is kind of what I feel like happened with the Unity game, like the dice throwing mechanic. I made it like very saucy and like it feels nice. It feels like you were throwing like real dice. So I would say that as long as we can nail like the feeling of playing like actual legit pinball, the incremental part is just a ruse to force you to play even more. Well, not to force you to play, but to entice you to play more. But the issue is I don't know what type of incremental stuff would make sense, you know. I would say that I could have like the pedals like either move quickly or being like slightly larger, or throw the ball like with more speed. I could make like the different bumpers like give me more points and stuff. I could make it easier for you to get like multi-ball. But I don't know. I think I would need to have, I don't even know, but I think I would need to have like 20 things that you could improve or unlock for the game, you know. And I don't know if I have those. So yeah, that's your homework for the weekend. We need to come up with 20 ideas. Paste bin. Are you really like LLMing me right here on stream? That's how you get shot. I should probably add the like buttons to play sound effects like here directly. I think that would be nice, you know. I would like click buttons. Oh, okay. So I'm not gonna watch Night Butterflies tomorrow. Sad. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT cooked for us, because apparently people cannot Google. It's always fun, like, just to come here and like click all of these like untitled stuff. I wonder what kind of nonsense people would put here. Pinball Ascension. The fuck? It's an incremental pinball game where every ball launch, bumper hit, combo chain, table upgrade contributes to long-term genre. Automation. I mean, there's nothing. I've read it so far until here, until line 34. There's nothing new. They are just explaining what a regular pinball game is. Yeah, I mean, this will be like the core thing, like the table evolving. I don't know if I would have like just a single table or multiple tables, or if you'd have like a mostly empty table and you buy new parts for it and then you install the new parts. I would say that would be pretty cool as well, and something very novel, because I don't think there's like a dynamic pinball editor anywhere. Idle progression. I mean, I don't really want to idle progression. I want people to play. Although we could have like fake clones, you know, that would just like fake ghost balls that would play like automatically and stuff. I would say that it should be like fairly easy to implement that. It's just like figuring out if they are like near the paddle stuff, and then with a random chance like the paddle shoots. I would say like the ghost balls don't need to play like really well. Player skill accelerates progression. Good shots. More idle experience. Well, I actually don't want an idle experience, you know. I want like a roguelite pinball more than an incremental one. Then, you know, a roguelite is like what's that game called? Where is it? Like Balatro, you know. You have Balatro. You have I'm forgetting all of the names now. You have Balatro. You have Inscription. You have a Binding of Isaac. You have a bunch of them where you essentially you die, but every time you die you earn something new. Like, I don't want to automate cards. Okay. At least I'm not imagining like this automating like the playing mechanic. I really want like the person itself like to play, you know. I think I mean, I don't know. Core loop, launcher ball. I mean, the very high CPU is not making like the music change. Core loop, launch a ball, use flippers to keep the ball alive. Earn score, sparks, parts, fragments. Complete table objectives to unlock upgrades. Spend currency on table improvements. Unlock automation systems. I don't know if I want automation systems. Trigger wizard modes, multi-ball events or scoring rituals. What the fuck? Eventually prestige to rebuild the table with permanent bonuses. Well, this is mostly roguelite then. Repeat with new mechanics, faster growth, and altered table behavior. Score, sparks, parts, blueprints, echoes. Like, is this usual for incremental games to have like these many different currencies? I mean, at least the one that we played the other day, like the platformer one, it was just energy. It was just energy. Although there was the other one, like All Hail the Orb from Loot Ginger Dev. And this game has like as well 5 or 6 of them. Well, you can literally see it here. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 currencies. But I would actually want to like simplify this, you know. Maybe I don't want it an incremental one. Maybe I want a roguelite one, you know. Where you play, you earn like some money, and with some money you buy upgrades, and then you need to play it yourself. I don't think I want to automate the playing. Combo chains, skill shots, near drain saves, breaking targets, completing lanes. Prototype scope. Okay, how's that Unreal behaving? I actually think I'm not gonna be able like to do anything today. Like this has been stuck on a 332 for 15 minutes. And we are almost reaching like 2 hours of compilation, total compilation time. But I really wonder if it just needs more RAM to finish this. I don't know. This is hella weird. I never had this happen to me. And I can assure you that I played... that I used to work with way larger projects for the television industry. Like way larger than this. Way more assets. So, I don't know. I don't know why this is taking so long. Pum, 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 pum. Okay, let's get back to this random ass file. Must have prototype features. One playable pinball table, basic flipper controls, ball launcher. At least 12. Why 12, bro? You are a machine, you don't know. Just bit my tongue so hard. Well, sucks to be you. I did bite my tongue like last week and it still hurts, so. But it's really... I don't know. I don't know if fun is the word. But it's really interesting how... if you try to bite it on purpose, you just can't. Like your body just refuses to do it. But if you don't think about it, you know, your body still allows you to bite it super hard, as if it couldn't like figure out what it was biting, which is weird. He's spewing so much shit, like it's crazy. I'm not saying this is like bad stuff, but this guy has no idea of the type of game that I want to build, and he just assumed pretty much everything. Gets the juices going. Yeah, I'm completely moist down there now, just from reading this. I'm all moist and dripping. Multi-ball collisions. I mean, whatever we do, I legit think this is not ever gonna complete. I think this is stuck on a random ass loop. But whatever we do, I think we should aim to how All Hail the Orb looks like when it's going like maximum stuff. Like there's so much particle effects flying that you can barely see the game, and it feels so good. I don't know if they have like an image of a bunch of particle effects like just going. Do they have like that random... Oh, developer is streaming right now. Maybe not. Okay, do they have more videos besides that one? No. But I mean, the pictures don't do it justice. But whenever you get like shit flying, like it's a lot of stuff. It's really cool. So I would say that wherever we do, every mouse, see, you have like always like a bunch of shit on screen, like non-stop, which is very enticing. That's what makes like this game actually really good. So I would say that wherever we do here, every ball hit, mods, get fucked. Wherever we do here, I would say that every ball interaction with anything needs to spawn particles, you know? And we also need to see like the particles or the money or whatever like fly into a specific spot on the map, which is what they do here, which I really enjoy, which is whenever you gain something, the particles always fly to this top left, and they disappear like behind this panel here, which is the panel that shows like the current points that you have. So any currency that you earn like flies into that corner. So I would say that it would be cool, like you would eat like some bumper or anything, it would spawn like some particles, but then the particles would fly like out of the table and into like your UI, you know, somewhere on your UI. I think that would be cool. And then it ends up being just a matter of having a bunch of particles like showing. That's what makes these games like really cool to play. Is like just the sheer amount of shit that you have on screen at any given time. Bro, this is not unlocking. This is still stuck at the 332. Memory mean free. Yeah, maybe it's like stuck because it doesn't like have like enough memory. Okay, let me close this. I'm pretty sure now that we don't have like enough memory for some reason. Where is it, bro? Oh, Unreal. I don't know why I have like a folder called Unreal. Okay, let me try to package from Unreal directly without launching it from a Rider, because I think Rider is the one causing the issue somehow. Failed to load. Okay, watch this work first time now. Windows, package, go. Select, go. Do you want to allow? Yes, allow everything in my network, please. Holy mother of errors. The fuck, bro? Okay, so it threw a bunch of errors, but it's still going. Oh, it's complaining that some blueprints are not working. I don't know what any of these missing cached shader map stuff is. But I noticed that the music is stopping playing every once in a while, which is scary. Yeah, it starts all the assets from scratch somehow. Remaining 1076. 1,000 remaining. I mean, I think that at least now it's not complaining about memory. Because I now think it's just using everything it has available. So it's even worse than before. For some reason. No, it's still saying virtual memory is less than 2 megabytes. Available memory. Maybe I can do this while streaming, I don't know. But now we are back at 332. Compile time exceeded threshold. What the fuck? Okay, so shaders have around 80 seconds to compile. If they don't compile within 80 seconds, then they just refuse. Okay, bro. Okay, memory is going down now. Somewhat. Why do I have two Unreal editors? One is using 9 gigabytes, the other one is using 1 gigabyte. Super scuffed. Super duper uber scuffed. Why does one have like backslashes? The other one has forward slashes. Scary stuff. Do pinball games use real physics these days? Or is it all fake? I would say that for the sake of determinism, I would say fake, but not Yeah. Yeah, I would say that essentially you control the ball yourself. I mean, you are still the one applying like forces and velocities and stuff. Um, but I don't think you have like drag. I don't think you have friction. I don't know. But I mean, it should be possible to make one using actually legit physics. But I would say that then physics won't be. I don't know if Godot physics, if they are deterministic. I mean, if they are, then it's GG. Determinism. Rapier. Oh. Godot uses rapier? I don't know. These people are like so hella stupid. Like, oh, I'm using a procedural generation algorithm in Godot, and I want to make it deterministic algorithm. Bro, use a seeded random and don't use float math. That's all there is to it. That's all there is to any of it, actually. Don't do float math and use seeded random number generators. And it's literally the same answer to anything. Anything deterministic is essentially that. Okay, but I don't actually believe we can have that's a weird ass quote to have. Mm-mm-mm. You can use different engines. Oh, so you can actually have like different engines with inside Godot. Holy. Okay, so maybe I'll use Jolt Physics then. Jolt Physics is cool. It's like one of the better ones. It's so modular, yeah. That's why you have 300 billion executables to launch from. Don't use float math and use seeded random generators. No, it should be random number generators. That's all there is to it. I mean, that's not the not take. That's the regular take. So I think I will delete that quote. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if I want to. I mean, I don't know. Like, I haven't put any actual thought process into this. Boy, I cannot turn my phone. I don't know what the hell is happening. Like, this thing is not charging. Yeah, this charger is not working. Fuck. Uh, okay, is this done? No, it's not done. It's stuck at the same position, bro. I don't know what the hell is happening with this. I really don't know what the hell is happening with this. This is clearly compiling stuff, but it's not making any progress. So what the hell is this compiling, you know? Seems like it's compiling a billion times the same thing. That's the only way how it would not advance. Hold on, I'm just messaging someone. I don't know what to do about this. I'm sad. I just want this to finish so I can fix the goddamn like task and move on from this. But apparently that's forbidden. Apparently that's forbidden. Um, I don't know what to do about these guys. I'm kind of tired of waiting. This thing is just complaining that it isn't making any progress whatsoever. But I legit wonder, like, what the hell is this even trying to compile, you know? I mean, it's obviously compiling shaders. Like, that part I can understand, but Which shader is this? You know? Okay, I legit do not know. I legit do not know. Quit it and leave it overnight later. Well, but then I don't have content for the afternoon stream. Button top right, resource monitor, then disk tab. Button top right. View. What? Was it here? Oh, okay. You want me to open resource monitor? I mean, it's not using the disk at all. It's not. I mean, every once in a while it does stuff, but I mean, expand it. What do you want me to expand, bro? Here. I mean, and really is writing and stuff, but I don't know. I mean, but this is under 10 megabytes a second, you know, like this is nothing. This is legit nothing. OBS has 321 threads. What the fuck, bro? Unreal. I mean, Unreal is using 25 gigabytes of the 32. I mean, I don't know. I would say that this is stuck in a weird loop. Like, this is trying to compile these weird ass shaders, but nothing is actually happening. I don't know if it's trying to compile shaders for these like weird landscape material instance constant blah blah blah, which is like the same freaking shader like 5,773 times for some reason, which might be the case, be like compiling this. So I wonder if maybe it's compiling 5,000 instances of this. Page file getting a lot. Where do you see that? Page file getting a lot. Disk area activity. Well, I'm here already. See it. Oh, here. Okay. Well, now it's not showing anything. Okay, but what you are saying is that every once in a while, ChatGPT, what the fuck is ChatGPT doing? It's probably updating itself. Oh, page file.sys, Epic Web Helper. Okay. This stuff. I mean, I don't know, bro. Oh, it did more stuff, or it printed more stuff, I think. Oh, 248, 241. Okay, it's going down again. GG. GG. Okay, but I would say that whatever this shit here is, no, not this one. Like these landscape material instance constant stuff. Bro, whatever you are like messing everything up. Landscape material instance. I don't even know how can I look for this, you know? I don't understand what this arrow means. EOS. What the hell is EOS? EOS SDK in real. Epic Online Services. Yeah. I think we just need to wait, apparently. Okay, bro, let's go. You can do this. 241. $241. Well, I know this is not like proper content, everyone, so I think I'm gonna go have lunch now. And I'm gonna be back in like 45 minutes or something, you know. I'm gonna end stream, because this is not fun to look at at all. And then we'll be back, and hopefully in 45 minutes this would be completed. Okay, I think that's gonna be the plan. So yeah, everyone, thank you very much for... Oh, the mic is here. Hide the mic. Yes. Okay, GG. Everyone, thank you very much for the support. Elgardia, thank you for the gifted subs. Mods, congrats on the air horn sound. Yeah, and I'm gonna leave now. I'm gonna be back in around... I'm gonna be back. I mean, I'm trying to keep my composure and know what to say next, and then you throw me with an error, which is fun. Hello, Ekesiaka. Enjoy your meal. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna end stream, and I'll be back in around 45 minutes, and hopefully Unreal will be done. I don't know. Maybe this will never get finished. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, everyone, thank you very much for the support, and I'll see you in about 45 minutes. See ya.